Now we will do chapter number 20, that is about gems of science. Gems of science is about, this is a chapter about the scientists who invented some helpful things in the life. Some people are known for their scientific invention. So they invented some inventions. They invented such things which made our lives of people comfortable and easy. Now, number 1, he was a Swedish engineer and chemist, invented dynamite in 1867. He is Alfred Nobel. Alfred Nobel invented a dynamite in 1867. Who invented the dynamite? Alfred Nobel invented the dynamite in 1867. Now, number 2, he was an Italian scientist, mathematician and physics engineer and astronomer who visit to space and bring some knowledge from there or some new thing about the other spaces. He is also known as the father of modern physics. Father of modern physics is Galileo Galilei. Galilei is the astronaut as well as the scientist and physics engineer. Now, number 3, he was a genius who invented electric bulb in 1879 and many other like phonograph, megaphone, electricity generator, etc. He is Thomas Alva Edison. He invented electricity bulb in 1879. Who invented the bulb in 1879? Thomas Alva Edison. Thomas Alva Edison invented bulb. Now, number 4, the greatest scientist of all times, also known as the brain of century. Brain of century. He gave the theory of relativity. He is Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein is also known as the brain of century. Albert Einstein is also known as brain of century. Number 5, he was an English scientist who is known for his work on the theory of gravitation. Theory of gravitation. He is Sir Isaac Newton. Sir Isaac Newton is also known for his gravitation theory. Gravitation theory is given by Sir Isaac Newton. Now, number 6, he was an English bacteriologist who discovered the penicillin in 1928. He is Alexander Fleming. Who invented or discovered the English bacteriologist. Now, number 7, he was a Polish scientist who along with her husband discovered the radium in 1898. She is Marie Curie. Marie Curie invented the radius. Marie Curie invented radius in the 1898. So this is all about our gems of science. So today we covered all the chapters of second term, that is from chapter number 15 to 20. Hope that you enjoy the video, that you now come to know about the poisonous plant, now amazing creatures and all about the gems of science. Thank you.